In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, you need to enter Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line under your shortcuts and drag it down to see all of them. Finally, you need to locate Auto Rotate shortcut and click on it. If you can't find it, look for a grey one called Portrait with a padlock. Auto Rotate is here, so when I click, it's grey and it says Portrait. That means that auto rotation is off. To turn it on, click on Portrait icon and wait until it turns into Auto Rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!